So a few of you did mention that you wanted to see a few of the other shapes of the eyebrows, and I was just getting ready to do my makeup, and I thought I'd show you a few more of the stencils. Confident. Yeah, I kind of feel like an evil witch now. Can't raise the Arana. This one might be a bit too confident for me. Shooting star. I see now why people do their brows first, because yeah, I didn't line this one up right, and I really like an arch. I like more of an arch. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. That's just me, I'm messy. Nobility. Like it's actually focusing. Oh, I got it on my forehead. This one's not too bad. Youthful. Sexy. Heroine. Elegant. Yeah, this one doesn't follow my brow shape at all. So if you didn't have a tail, I don't like this one. Party star. Much more my shape. Queen. This is one of my go-tos is Queen. I really like the shape on me. Classic. So what do you think? Which one did you like? Comment below. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.